Hi, I'm Nick from Mootwin, and here is Claude, our CEO.
Hello.
And Mootwin's mission is to provide financial institutions with mobile apps development platforms, as well as business software solutions. And we're happy to present today one of these business solutions, which is Mootwin Financial. And first, we have the mobile app that is demonstrating our online trading application that is used by a few customers, among them BNP. And you can retrieve all your information data. You have access to your account. You could do online trading, just have watch lists. And this is based on all our tools, which are real-time, compliant and secured. And there is a very smart capabilities of push capabilities for data, smart mirrorings, and local data persistency. So you never get cut. And even if in a very unstable environment where you have only one bars or the communication is cut, it's still smooth and running. But now I want really to introduce this iPad solution, which is the Mootwin Financial. And it's just all of this, when you want to develop your next application for mobile, you just ask yourself, what are the cool features that you might be using? Would it be customer interactions with smart messaging? Could it be technical analysis? Just a new risk management, risk alert, shock-resistant portfolio management? But all of that, we have it in this application. But it's sort of vanished if you have a poor communication, poor connections. The response time is very slow. So that's why we provide with Mootwin the whole foundation or the whole tools that allows this ultimate customer experience through performances. Well, then within this application, we will be able to demonstrate all the content that you might be using, technical analysis, and if you use this framework, you will be able to plug in all your existing content providers, all the tools that you're using. Here you see a big dashboard. Of course, if I want to use, if I'm sitting on a train and I'd rather use this application than the one on my smartphone because it has a larger touch screen. I have access to multiple informations, contextualized informations. For example, you see here resistance, you see the trends of the index. You have interactive capabilities on all the graphs. It's a multimedia application, so you can have access also to video. It could be streaming videos, or it could be local videos. It depends how you tune this push mechanism, because actually everyone is dreaming of using these kind of applications when we're on the plane, because we have time. And then the problem is we have no connections. So all this mechanism with the Mootwin Foundation are really neat. And there is another aspect that I like to address is once you get an alert from your advisor or your bank, because you've selected some threshold or some alert path, it arrives in a secure, contextualized environment. So you know it's not within all your mails or SMS. It's in your bank environment. Just says, watch out, there is a risk management. So if I go to my portfolio to understand what this risk is, I look at all my portfolio with the indexes, volatility indexes, and then I have my target risks. I want to be dynamic but not aggressive, and I see that there is a higher real risk because of the market downtrend. So I can drill down in the analysis through graphs and specialized technical analysis, and I realize, please, can you leave it? I realize that my advisor or the tools are giving me advice how I should rebalance my profile, which is diversify. And to diversify, they say, maybe you should buy this stock, Renault. That would solve your issue, short terms. And so I sent a message to my advisor. I say, please, could you proceed with the transaction? I could do it myself, but I asked my advisor to buy this transaction. And it's interactive. I could send him a message. I could talk to him. I could have a video conf. It's multimedia. And sending this message to my advisor, executed orders. I received the message directly. If I go back in my portfolio to see how it's react, I see that my real risk has been rebalanced according to my targeted risk. And actually, I bought some Renault, so I'm very happy. I can look at the risk valuation, and I see the graph has changed. It takes time to be able to read all this information, but it's really neat. Once you master this technology, you can really balance. And for the banks, it knows what the user is using as a tool, and so they can interact. They are using the same language. They have the same understanding of what needs to be done. So it's really a transactional application. So the nice things with that is it's in use. And there's one of our customers here in the room, so I asked him to come on stage today. Rainer, hello.
Hey,
you can say a few. I'm fine.
Yeah.
Say a few words about what the impact this application had on your business.
Yeah, thanks to Mootwin, we've been the first iPhone app in Germany, which has been quite popular. So we won the award in the Euro Finance Week, which you already mentioned. It's already like 5% of our customers are doing their trades online. It's not just banking, it's real trading. And there are a bunch of customers who perform like 500,000 trade volume each year. And overall trades are 150,000 via the iPhone app. So it's quite a success for us.
Well, thank you, Heiner. So let's meet at our booth. If you want to drill down in this application or see what we can do for you, we'll be happy to do so. Thank you very much.